This is the Merrill MASVBPK vacuum breaker kit for the MA series Merrill faucets. So the two pieces here come with the body, which will have that rubber O-ring right here at the bottom of these threads. And it'll also have the little float with that rubber seal right there on the end as well. So we can go ahead and get a couple measurements of each piece. We'll start with an outer diameter of the flat side here. See, that measures right above an inch. And we can also get an outer diameter of this end as well. See, that measures right at 3/4 of an inch. And we can also get a total height measuring right at 3/4 of an inch as well. Okay, and then we can also measure the float. We'll just get an outer diameter of this end here with that rubber seal. And that'll measure right at 1/2 inch. And then we can get a total height as well, measuring just below 1/2 inch. Okay, so once again, this is the Merrill MASVBPK vacuum breaker repair kit.